Hello everyone, it's Charlie with Panel Lumber Products, coming to you again from our sheet metal reconditioning facility here in Orlando. Today we're going to talk about lift gates. These are kind of pesky little pieces to go ahead and protect. We've developed a new product. We just released this one for lift gates and also for trunk lids about 2 weeks ago. And Gene's going to go ahead and demonstrate on how easy this is to do. First, you set the panel on top of the product, and just like all our products, everything is scored and perforated, so it's easy to measure up. And he'll just go ahead and box the two ends by cutting back to the edge of the panel. And if you notice on the very top, where in the middle where his hands are now, there's a bunch of perforations. That will help the product bend around one contour. Now these panels usually have two contours. They have a top to bottom contour and a side to side contour. And if you notice, you may not see it, but you will be, there's a split in the middle at the very top, and that allows it to wrap around the other contour. We here at Panel Armor use a stapler, a pneumatic stapler, to attach these. We find it's a little bit quicker with the volume that we're doing. Some people use tape, some people use banding, and some people will also take a little bit of bubble wrap and they'll put it underneath the product before they actually staple it together. So with that being said, Gene just finished doing it. He's going to just go ahead and staple the one top piece just to make sure it stays together. And if you notice, there's no window on this particular one, so it doesn't really matter whether there's a window or not. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to wrap a lift gate with our new Panel Armor liftgate products. Thank you for joining us today. Appreciate your time. This is Charlie with Panel Armor Products. Check out everything we have to offer on our website, panelarmorproducts.com. Catch you next time.